So 20 knots of wind. We've just chucked first reef in the headsail.
Good morning, it's 6:15 and today we are heading from here to Iles, Guadeloupe to meet up with some friends and collect some stuff. It's been an interesting stop. We're on one of Marcus's buoys. Our route today is about 38 miles up to Terre, Haute, Iles, just south of Guadeloupe.
Morning from sailing Vita, which is leaving Roseau and negotiating around the stern of the cruise ship that's deciding to come in front of us, and then we're heading up the coast. Well, it was a reasonably good night's sleep, but there's a few little bags under the eyes today, a little bit tired. It was the noise on the town, obviously we're not really used to, and some dogs barking, but yeah, overall it was okay, but looking forward to a good night's sleep tonight.
We've run out of wind. We managed to sail for about 3 or 4 miles and we've had to put the engine on, unfortunately. Hopefully there'll be some wind when we get to the end of the island. No wind to speak of still, so we're still motoring up the island. Still a beautiful day. We're just passing Portsmouth now and the wind has filled in, so we're about to get sailing again. Neutral.
Always a mess. So now we have full mainsail. And a full headsail, because we've got 12 knots of wind. Lovely. Super stuff. Nice day, wind's filled in.
And it's time to turn the engine off.
Nice angle and nice speed. 14 knots of wind. Lovely. Take that. So we've come sort of up to the end of the island and that engine, and now at the top of the island and a sail. Mr. Relaxed on the helm. Enjoying the sail?
It's lovely. Absolutely flat seas, really gentle breeze, 10-11 knots of wind. Moving along quite happily at 5.5 knots, so lovely. Engine's off. It's a beautiful day. We've got Dominica here, We've got Iles and Guadeloupe right there.
Probably can't quite see that, there, just inside the shrouds. But they're there. "16 knots now, as we're coming through between the two islands, Dominica and the islands of Iles, and in the background, Guadeloupe. Got full sails out at the moment, and we've still got a Dominica courtesy flag up. John's having a play on the helm. A bit of a play.
Giving it welly.
When you get breeze in the Caribbean, it's very nice. Between the islands, there's usually a little bit of acceleration, which gives you some more, which is ideal. Lovely, 18 knots of breeze.
So 20 knots of wind. We've just chucked first reef in the headsail. You can see it up through there. First reef in the headsail. First reef in the mainsail. It's a wee bit sploshy. Lovely bit of wind. Lovely bit of wind. Getting splashed on the beam. And we are travelling at the speed of
7.5 knots.
excellent.
Sometimes a little bit more.
The crazy thing is, we've reefed in and we're actually going faster now than we were before we reefed, and more comfortably. Perfect. Although it's not all about the speed, is it, Alison?
Maybe.
If you believe that, I'll tell you another one.
In the distance, there's Marie Gallant. You can see the sea conditions. And we're heading up there to Iles de Saint.
Well, we've arrived here in Iles de Saint, Guadeloupe, at Terre de Haute, and we've got a mooring buoy, and the dinghy dock is somewhere over there, and we're going to go and check in very shortly. Iles de Saint, Guadeloupe. We had a cracking sail over here. Winds up to about 22 knots, averaging about 18 to 20. It's fantastic. We were blasting along between the islands and managed to sail all the way up to this mooring field. Just put the engine on for the last couple of minutes to pick up the mooring buoy, and it's very, very hot. There's the moon coming up at Iles.